Hey guys, my name is Patrick Williams and today I'm going to be talking about why Linux is actually superior to Windows. Windows was released in 1985 and has remained a dominant and popular operating system. Windows is well known and successful due to their ability to adapt and improve in a very versatile and changing market. Microsoft was able to push away its competition and dominate the consumer market. Running Unix machines at this time were very costly, so despite Windows' deficiencies, it was a much more affordable option. Linux, on the other hand, an operating system based on Unix, was created in 1991 by Linus Torvalds and hasn't stopped growing since. At the start, Linux had a small number of C files. Today, Linux has over 23.3 million lines of source code. Due to its immense improvements, Linux has become too advanced for Windows to compete. One massive advantage that Linux has over Windows is that the entire operating system is open source. This means all the code can be discovered online. This is important because it allows the user to change various things they disagree with. Also, Linux is completely free, while Windows users pay for the service. Windows is a proprietary software that has nowhere near the amount of options Linux has. Only a small group of individuals can make edits to the operating system's code. Linux is far more secure than Windows. Windows' popularity itself is a problem. Since approximately 88% of computers use Windows, malware users target Windows due to its massive usage. It's important to note that just because Windows is proprietary and users cannot see the code does not mean it is more secure. This is a clear fact due to the amount of security patches Windows releases. In fact, Linux is more secure because it's open source. This allows tons of users to view the code and make sure it is completely safe. A large Microsoft team cannot compare to the sheer amount of Linux users. As computers continue to advance, it simply gets harder and harder to run the most current operating system in the market. However, Linux has the ability to revive older computers due to its distributions able to work with a range of systems. In fact, some distributions actually are made specifically for older PCs. Windows, on the other hand, is not nearly as versatile. Some PCs are unable to run Windows 10. For example, say a PC is only able to run Windows 7. Now this PC won't gain updates or support and now is more vulnerable to attacks and viruses. Linux has the ability to cater to any specific user necessities. Currently, there is approximately 600 Linux distributions, with around 500 still in development. There's a Linux version for everyone, such as Kali Linux, which was created for hackers, or Ubuntu, which was designed for programmers. It is only fair to say that Windows does actually have various plans and packages, but it is extremely limited when compared to Linux.